Dear student, myself Ajay Gupta and welcome you in our mathematics lecture 6. Before starting the lecture, an important notice for you that if shop opening in your area, then please purchase your book. It is help to complete your work. That means अगर आपके एरिया में बुक्स की शॉप ओपन हो रही है तो प्लीज़ वहाँ से आप अपना बुक्स परचेज कर लीजिए और उसी से होमवर्क अपना सॉल्व कीजिए. Now let's begin our topic. Addition of a rational number. In previous class we have studied that addition of rational number when denominator is same. But in this class we will study when denominator is different. Such example 5 by 6 plus 4 by 9. These are the different denominators. So how can we solve? For this solution, apply step first. In this step first, to find their LCM. I hope you know to find the LCM. Two 3 is 6, 9. This can be divided by 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3. LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. What we get? 18. So 18 is your LCM. So write the common denominator. In the next step, again divide 18 by 6. We get 3. Divide 18 by 6. We get 3. So first write the numerator and multiply. Same process, write the numerator and multiply it by their quotient. 9 2 is 18, so 4 multiplied by 2. Again 5 3 is 50 plus 4 2 is 8 by 18. We get 15 plus 8 23 by 18. This is your required answer. Now next topic, subtraction of a rational number. How we subtract any rational numbers. This is same as the addition of the rational numbers. First, find out their LCM. Their LCM is 18. You already find 6 and 9. LCM of 6 and 9, 18. So first write 5 as it is and use this sign and write the denominator. Next step, divide 18 by 6. What we get? 3. Multiply their first numerator and divide the second denominator. In the common denominator we get 9 2 is 18. So the second numerator is multiplied by 2. In the next step, 5 3 is 50. Use sign minus 15 plus 4 2 is 8 by 18. When we subtract this, we get minus 7 by 18. This is your answer. Again, second type of question. Subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. So first write 1 by 3 minus 3 by 4. Subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. Next step, find the LCM of 3 and 4. Again find LCM of 3 and 4. 3 divided by 1, we get 1 and this is 4. 1 2 2 is 4 again to 1. LCM 3 into 2 into 2. We get 3 2 is 6, 2 is 12. So the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Now next, write the numerator and use the sign as it is. And next step, divide the common denominator by their first denominator. So divide 12 by 3, we get 4. 12 divided by 3, we get 4. So 1 multiplied by 4. And the next, 12 divided by the second denominator, we get 4 3 is 12. So second numerator multiplied by 3, we get 4 minus 3 3 is 9 by 12. We get minus 5 by 12. This is your required answer. This is a homework and trying to solve this. Add the following rational number: 3 by 4 and 3 by 5, 5 by 8 and minus 7 by 12. Subtract the following: minus 5 by 6 from 1 by 3, 8 by 9 from 3 by 5, and minus 13 by 9 from 0. Thank you.